Welcome to Embrace Yourself. My name is Kim, and today I'd like to teach you how to check whether or not you're in your ventral vagus state. Keep in mind that the ventral vagus state means that you're in a rest and relaxation mode versus the dorsal state, which is more the fight or flight or depressed and stressed mode. So there are two tests that you can do on yourself, or anyone else for that matter, that objectively show you whether or not you're in the ventral vagus, the ideal mode. The first one is take 2 fingers. Make sure not to use your thumb, as your thumb has its own pulse. Place it on the wrist just below the hand and you'll feel your pulse rate right there. What you're looking for is as you inhale, and you want to take a nice long deep inhale, your pulse should speed up if you're in the ventral vagus state, meaning the rest or relaxed state. So what you're looking for is to see if your pulse speeds up just a little bit as you're inhaling. If it doesn't, that can tell you that you're actually in the dorsal vagus state, living in chronic stress, and then we're going to learn techniques to reset. So that's one option, and again, 2 fingers, find your pulse, take some nice deep, long, slow breaths in, and you should notice that your heart rate speeds up. That's a normal thing that happens when you take a long inhale. The second test involves using a pen light or your camera phone light, and you're going to look at the uvula and the palate at the back of your throat. Now, what you're going to do is when you stick out your tongue, you're going to say ah, 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 and repeat it versus one long ah where we're checking adenoids and tonsils. Instead, what we're looking for is the uvula and the palate should lift, because those are muscles of the vocal cords, and we're making sure that, again, that ventral vagus nerve that innervates those different muscles is working. So those are the 2 tests that I want you to go try on yourself. And if you find that you're actually in a dorsal vagus state, well, tomorrow we're going to learn how to reset our ventral vagus system. Can't wait to see you then. And please be sure to click subscribe on the YouTube channel, ding the bell, and share this episode with your friends so everyone can find out whether they're living in a chronically stressed state or a relaxed one. See you tomorrow.